In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to drag and drop deals in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. Let's get started right from the Pipedrive dashboard. First, open the Deals section from the left sidebar. This is your command center for everything related to your pipeline. At the top left of the Deals page, you'll see tabs that let you switch how your deals are displayed. Select the pipeline view. This layout shows your sales process as a series of columns, each one representing a stage like qualification, proposal, or won. It's designed so you can instantly see where each deal stands and move it forward with a simple action. Now, here's the part that makes pipeline management fast and intuitive. To update a deal stage, click and hold the deal card you want to move, then drag it to the appropriate column and release. The moment you drop it, Pipedrive updates the deal stage automatically. This keeps your pipeline accurate without extra clicks or forms. If you're moving several deals, take your time and confirm each one lands in the right column. It helps to scan the stage names at the top as you move, so you always drop a deal where it truly belongs. If you have lots of deals on screen, you can quickly search or filter first to bring the right cards into view, then drag and drop from there for a smoother workflow. You can also switch to a different perspective using the tabs at the top left. Choose Forecast View to organize deals by time instead of by stage. In this view, your deals are grouped into months, giving you a clear snapshot of your upcoming pipeline. Just like before, you can drag and drop here too. Click and hold a deal, then move it to another month to assign it to a different period. When you drop it into a new month, Pipedrive updates the deal's forecasted timing, helping you plan capacity, manage targets, and communicate realistic expectations. It's a fast way to adjust timelines when conversations move faster or slower than expected, and it keeps your monthly forecast aligned with reality. That's all there is to it. Open deals on the left, use the tabs at the top left to switch between pipeline and forecast views, and drag and drop deals to update their stage or month. With a few quick moves, your pipeline stays clean, accurate, and ready for action. If you found this helpful, keep practicing these simple drags and drops, and you'll save time while keeping your sales process perfectly up to date.